The year 2023 began on a promising note as supply conditions were improving, economic activity remained resilient, financial markets exuded greater optimism, and central banks were steering their economies towards a soft landing. The global economy is now witnessing a renewed phase of turbulence with fresh headwinds from the banking sector turmoil in some advanced economies. It decided unanimously to keep the policy repo rate unchanged at 6.5% in this meeting with readiness to act should the situation so warrant. The MPC also decided by a majority of 5 out of 6 members to remain focused on withdrawal of accommodation to ensure that inflation progressively aligns with the target while supporting growth. Let me emphasize that the decision to pause on the repo rate is for this meeting only. Overall, inflation is above the target, and given its current level, the present policy rate can still be regarded as accommodative.